bitch body for that subtract. But we ain't doing math, we just ripping tracks. Now look at my white ass, I'm just leaving red tracks on my footprints. Bitches been dead, slaughtered right off the head. The machete left them with lead. But that don't make sense, Ronnie, that's an acapella. Left you mellow when you wanna sleep on your fucking pillow. I say, grab that symbol, wake me up at 6 o'clock. I'm gonna hit this dock and let you hear the lecture from Papa Doc and hit you. You never heard the issue, but I give you some tissues for you crying little bitch. She never heard of this elaborate shit, cause I curse and fucking swear so much. You need a fucking dictionary to understand anything I say, cause I'm that white man that left your bitch trying to persuade she's in the way. So I told her to get out of the way before I blow up her family and her whole body with a grenade. One pulled a pin, it was one awful sin, but I had to do it to this White House. The damn government never wanted to see me with that AK. Got a spray when I let another clip. Banana in my fucking way, eating it like a gorilla stuck in the jungle, hanging from vines. Call me Tarzan when I'm in this fucking prime time. No, fuck that, fuck the FCC. When they wanna see me, they wanna battle this nigga. So I got mad triggers. When my boys we coming like we pump more fucking lead than the mines. I say, nigga, you just dumbfounded. This is an illmatic mind sent down from the heavens. What you gonna do when you niggas don't catch me at 11 when I called you on the phone? You niggas say you wanna throw fish? You better do it, bitch, before I fucking let this fucking gun itch on your throat, bitch. You wanna choke, but I got you in my fucking room. Yo, you wanna choke, but I got you in my bicycle spokes when I wanna drive around. Bitches really never know. Had you fucking like a fucking car when I was a kid. I always wanted my bike to be a motorcycle, so I had them looking crazy like I'm shining like Michael. But I show them that hand, that's just a chrome man. When they wanna see me be so mad, boy, I give them the words that they never understand. Cause I'm going crazy, man. Give me that tour bus, cause I'll rip it up with a bunch of sluts and my mans. We about to smoke it up like we got some weed glands. Damn, touch me when I got that THC. No, fuck that, man. Give me a fucking liquor body. I will drink it, niggas hanging from the noose, left to right all day. Grey Goose, see me drunk as fuck. Yo, had your girl caught in the wrong light after I graduate. APW just trying to push me fucking way. Hardest fucking life I had to live was from 9th to 12th grade. Them niggas treat me as slaves. Every day I walked in that room, I got hated on for my pants being too low and my shoes being too expensive. Tell that bitch don't even mention my fucking word out of her mouth before I slap that bitch and get detention. Cause I don't give a fuck what you trying to say, you stenching. Everything you fucking say, get out my fucking word. I say, you in my world and I'm caught around with bombs in Vietnam. Fucking battlefields when I'm on and I'm ripping it.